Okay, y'all, watch this. Okay, this is Sora. This was the first thing for me that really rocked my world when I got a preview of this to see what AI was capable of. And as you probably know, Tyler Perry stopped construction on his $800 million studio in Atlanta, and he saw Sora for the first time. And OpenAI, who have brought us ChatGPT, are the creators of Sora. And they did not unleash this to the world. They only gave access to select number of video filmmakers. But now we have access. So I haven't even played with it yet. And that is because they only give you 1,000 tokens to begin with. So I was like, well, I want to make sure that, that I share this with you. So I don't, to save tokens. Okay. So I did watch the getting started video. So I have an idea of what I need to do, but look at this. Look on the left at this creepy merry-go-round in the bottom of the ocean. Look here at this I'll bring it up, make it big. Look at that. That's AI created. Some of the faces are truly disturbing. Let's look at a couple more. I mean, how cute is this? It's like a penguin in a jeepney or in a rickshaw. I don't know, but wow, that is so cool. Anyway, you get the idea. So what are we going to create? Well, again, making the most use of my tokens, I'm going to try to use something for my upcoming launch. So I'm doing a challenge that is called Overwhelmed to Organized. So show a woman at her laptop looking very confused and frustrated, and then have her transition into being very satisfied and serene. Also, I'm going to say looking very confused and frustrated. The background suggests chaos. And then have her transition into being very satisfied and serene, and the background becomes orderly. We can choose our aspect ratio. This is 16.9. We can choose our clarity. Okay, it says 480p is the fastest. 1080p is obviously going to be richer and, more detailed, but it's going to take longer. So I'm not going to do that one. I want it to be 5 seconds long. I'm going to make it 10 seconds. That's probably going to take more tokens. And then this button, I don't know what it does, so I'm not going to press it. And then you go storyboard. And then I know what this is. That's 2 versions. So it's going to give me 2 different versions for me to pick from. I could have done a lot more than 2, but I'm going to stick with 2. So it's saying storyboard is a tool that helps you visualize the action, sequence, and timing in your video. Use photos, videos, and text to describe each shot along a timeline before generating. Okay, let's use it. Okay, look, it gave me this. A woman sits at a cluttered desk surrounded by piles of papers and scattered stationery. Her brow is furrowed and her eyes are squinting on the laptop screen. The background is chaotic with shelves overflowing and a messy bulletin board, and her hands are tangled in her hair, conveying frustration and confusion as she struggles with her task. That's freaking amazing. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, then the next scene says, the scene transitions as the woman expresses changes to one of satisfaction. Her desk is now tidy with organized stacks of papers. The background is neat with clean shelves and an orderly bulletin board. I think I just need to make it clear here. I'm going to edit it to say, oh, well, it just changed it itself. A time lapse effect shows the seamless transition of the scene as the woman expression transforms from frustration to satisfaction. The wide angle view reveals her desk now tidy with neatly organized stacks of paper and stationery placed with precision. The background, it's chaotic, is now a model of order with clean shelves and a carefully arranged bulletin board that reflects the woman's newfound clarity and accomplishment. The ambiance becomes serene and focused, illustrating her journey from confusion to control. But I do want to edit it because I need it to be that she feels serene, not really from her external, but like what she's looking at on the computer. I'm going to click this button and I hope it doesn't mess anything up. Can add we could choose the style: balloon world, stop motion, archival, film noir, cardboard, and papercraft. We're not going to mess with any of that here at our basic lesson. Don't you think though, if I hit I see it's expanding the caption with AI, but there's no way to edit it. It feels like there would be. Okay, we're not going to worry about it. I'm just going to click create. Okay, ready? And it tells me it's been added to the queue. Okay, so here's the output. And I don't know. On the left, the woman looks downright like she's about to murder someone. And then on the right, what's she doing with her hands? That's not right. And also, it's not giving satisfied and content at the end the way that it said it would. Wait, maybe this is just part one? Let me try part two. Let's see. No? Oh, I guess I'm supposed to pick the one that I like, which I guess I don't like any of them. Let's see, edit story. All right, this is where we can edit. All right, I'm going to pause this and I'm going to edit it and come back. Okay. In this one, I asked for 4 videos, as you can see, and I had a fairy, a little fairy, I said like Tinkerbell, who flies in, and then all of a sudden the woman becomes happy. But I'm laughing at the one in the lower left-hand corner. She just looks so crazy. All right, let's look in the top left. Okay. No. Top right. Let's see here. Okay, bottom right maybe. And let's look at the hands. Hands have been a problem for AI. Okay. I mean, I would definitely need to I need to work with this, but it's pretty incredible. I mean, that just came out of my brain. So go and play with Sora. You'll see it right there underneath Chat GPT.